Okay guys, I got the head and the cylinder off. I think I've got some bad news. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if that's bad or not. You guys have to tell me that. I'm not bringing it to a mechanic for sure. I'll just buy a whole new bottom end. Definitely doesn't look good. This end says book 1. I don't know if that's oversized or not. I have no clue. It's 796 right there, and that looks like 711. From the top it says book 1, and there's like a 13-digit code, and it says CD on the bottom with the arrow pointing towards the exhaust. This really pisses me off. There's also a little bit of play in the cylinder too. I mean on the piston to the rod.